In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can convert a PDF to an Excel sheet. So you're going to go to ilovepdf.com, and once you're on the website, you're going to select PDF to Excel. So let me minimize and go to my downloads to share with you the document I will be converting. So downloads, this is the PDF that I want to convert to an Excel sheet. All right, so let's minimize this and let's go back to I love PDF. So you're going to select the file that you want to convert. So downloads. Open, and then select convert to Excel. Then select download Excel. And here you can see that my file has been downloaded as an Excel sheet. So let's select open. Let's maximize this, enable editing. And that's basically it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.